We're here at the hotel Madison. We're about to play Dancing Drum Explosion. 588 a bet. Here we go. We gotta get 3 drums to get the bonus. Or we gotta get some wows to close the pot. I thought we was gonna get a full screen of food dolls. Oh, we got a bonus.
4 trigger bonus. Awesome! Boom, bonus.
Oh, let's see what we could get here. Which one we should pick?
I think we should go with 10 free games.
10
A lot of
free
people
games?
pick mystery, but I think you should go with 10 free games. I'm gonna let you do it.
All right, let's go.
Ooh, this one's exciting. Oh, come on. Let's get a big win.
We're trying to get a re-trigger or a screen full.
Come on, where's the re-triggers? That's all the way through. We got 3 games left. Trigger this last one. Not bad?
Not bad at all. Ooh, 113 in.
Going Central.
Got 173.10 out. Thank you for watching.